in this particular question number 6, four objects, question number 6, four objects W, X, Y and Z, each with charge plus Q, are held fixed at 4 points of a square of side D. So this is a square whose side is given as D, and 4 points are there. One is W, X, Y and Z. 4 points are present over here on the sides of given square. Object X and Z are on midpoint of sides of the square. Object X and object Z are at midpoints of the given square. The electrostatic force exerted by object W on X is F. So force exerted by W on X is how much? F. So we know that in each of these points charge plus Q is present. That means here the charge is plus Q, here also Q, here also Q charge and here also Q charge. All are positive charges. Then force on X due to W is F. That means as both are positive charges, so there will be repulsion between them. So magnitude of this force is F. And second one is it's saying, then question is, then the magnitude of force exerted by object W on Z. So what is the magnitude of force exerted by object W? This object W having charge plus Q on this particular Z having charge Q. So here in this particular case, the force, that means we need to first of all find out the distance of separation between these two charges. Clear? So what will be the distance of separation between these two charges? First of all, here in this particular case, we know that this particular side is how much? D, and this particular side will be how much? It will be D by 2. Clear? So that means if this is D by 2 and this is D, then it is forming a right angle triangle. So that means this diagonal will be how much? This diagonal will be equal to let it be this D prime equal to under root D square plus D by 2 whole square. So it will be D square plus D square upon 4. So it will be how much? It will be 5 D square upon 4 root. So it will be root 5 D by 2. So this particular diagonal will be how much? It will be root 5 D by 2. Clear? Then what will the force between the two charges, as charges are of equal magnitude? So it will be K Q divided by distance of separation is root 5 D by 2. That means its square will be how much? Its square will be 5 D square upon 4. So the value will be equal to 4 K Q square upon 5 D square. Clear? So this is a force. Clear? This is a force between these two charges. Force on object Z due to W. And but it is given that force on X due to W. Force on X due to W is how much? As these two charges are separated by distance of D by 2 having magnitude Q is, so it will be K Q divided by D by 2 whole square. So it will be equal to K Q square upon D square by 4. It will be equal to 4 K Q square by D square. Clear? So this is force on X due to W. So then what will be the force if we try to write, and this particular value is nothing but F. Clear? So then force on this Z due to W will be, we will try to write this particular force in terms of this one. So here we got F as 4K Q square by D square, 4K Q square by D square. That means this particular value is nothing but our F, this particular F. So then force on Z due to will be equal to F upon 5. Clear? So that means here if we check the options, then F upon 7 wrong, F upon 5 this is correct. So rest others will be wrong.